This is my sales dashboard which I have created through Excel data. And this dashboard is created within 5 minutes. Dashboard is really very interactive. On the left hand side, we can see all products. If I'll click on drop down and we'll select furniture, my dashboard got totally changed. If I'll click on drop down once again and this time I'll select electronics, just notice my dashboard is getting updated very smoothly. And if I'll select next department, my dashboard got updated. So how to create such type of dashboard? Let's cover it. This is my sales data which I have created in Excel. I have got various heads over here in which I have taken invoice number, date of the invoice, delivery date, delivery type, client ID, client name, and rest of the details are there. Let's come to right hand side. And on the right hand side, I have got my figures. Let's come to left hand side. The data is really vast. It's in more than 100 rows. Let's go on top. We will create our dashboard in 3 steps. The very first step is you'll have to save your data as CSV file. I'll go on top, save as. I'll rename my file raw data dashboard. Where I want to save? On my desktop, file format, I'll select as .csv and I'll save it. And my data got saved as CSV file. Now we will open our Google and we'll look for CSV to JSON converter. CSV to JSON converter. We'll go on top and from here we will select csvjson.com. On top we can see try it now. We'll come down. From here I'll select CSV to JSON. We'll come down. On left hand side we can see choose a file. We'll come down and we'll clear this. Now I'll click on choose file. We'll choose my file from here and we'll click on upload. My file got uploaded. Now I'll click on convert. On the right hand side, my file got converted. Now I'll click on download. My CSV to JSON file got downloaded. Now I'll open my Google search once again and we'll look for Claude AI. We'll come down and we'll select the official website of Claude AI. We'll go to CSV to JSON website once again. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on copy to clipboard. We'll go to Claude and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. My JSON file got pasted. Now I'll give a prompt over here. This is my prompt. I'll provide this prompt in my description box. In case you want to copy and paste, you can. So I'll select my prompt and we'll copy this. Control C or Command C. We'll go to Claude and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V and we'll hit enter. Now Claude will create our fully automatic or fully dynamic dashboard. It may take some time, totally depends on internet speed. My dashboard is getting created. Let's come down. Over here we can see that process of creating the dashboard is going on and my dashboard got created. Let's come down. Over here we have got the details. What will be in row 1, row 2 and row 3. Let's go on top. Over here we get the option to download the file. I'll click on download file, download, and my file got downloaded. Now let's open the file. And here is my dashboard. We'll come to left hand side and we'll select specific product. And my dashboard is getting updated. Perfect. In this way you can create your own dashboard. Now let's see how to create the prompt. The first process of creating the prompt. Take picture of any dashboard. Go to Claude. Open a new chat. Click on plus sign. Add files or photos. Add your photo over here. Upload. Over here just type, I want to create such a dashboard with different data. Data may be less or more. Provide prompt. And click on enter. And Claude will create your prompt. Let's come down. And this is our prompt. Just copy this prompt. Start a new chat. Paste your prompt over here. Now go to CSV to JSON. Copy your JSON file. And paste in Claude. And follow the steps what we have discussed earlier. And your dashboard will be ready. I'll provide the link of file in description box. In case you want to download, you can.